Alright, you guys, I'm installing the harness. You guys see 7 right here, and then 8 right here by my thumb. Alright, so I'm going to go ahead and insert 7 and 8 into those pinholes. As you can see, now I got 7, which is gray, and 8, which is yellow right here on my thumb. Alright, 19, you guys, is right there in the middle. You guys see it? The only one that doesn't have a cover or a wire. Right there, right in the middle. It's got 17, 18, 19. To the left of that wire, that white wire with the green. Alright? Alright, you guys, there you have it. Just pin 19 is this wire, the white one. Okay, see it? Right there, right in the middle, 19. Okay, you guys, there's 23. That blue wire is right in front, right in the middle. Okay, this one right here. Okay, that's 23. This one right here, 23, 24, 25. Now I got 2 more to go, which is 24 and 32, which 24 will be the one right next to it. And then 32, so 24 and 32, you guys, sorry about that. Okay, so you got 27, 28, 29, 30, 31, 32, because this corner is 33, and then the very corner right here is 34. So I'll be removing this one right here, and 27, 28, 29, 33, 32. And this second one right here, second from the last. Alright, you guys, there you have it. So 32 is that brown one, 24 is that green one, 23 is that blue one. Okay, number we got number 8, which is the yellow one. Number 7, which is that gray one in the corner. And that's it. 6 pins ready to go, you guys. So again, the yellow one, 7. Okay, sorry guys. All right, there you have it, you guys. So there we have the gray one. Okay, the yellow one, this white one that's in the middle, right here. Okay, then in the bottom we have that blue one, that green one, and that brown one, for a total of 6 cables, 6 wires from this wiring harness. And I could go ahead and look up the OEM projectors, you guys. Stay tuned.